Hello, wonderful attendees. I'm your host, Dalvinder Kaur from Lovely Professional University. Get ready to dive into today's topic, that is innovative trends and technologies in civil engineering. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day, Dr. Janaki Bhallav, moderator, assistant professor and head school of civil engineering, Lovely Professional University. With over 30 publications, he is a leading voice in his field. Dr. Janki, who holds a PhD from NIT, specializing in climate change and remote sensing. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Oman Bhatt, alumni, site engineer group Amana. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Navraj Singh also in this webinar. He is Achiever 2024, site engineer AI, Rakha Group Abu Dhabi. UAE. With over 30 publications in esteemed journals and conferences, he is a distinguished expert in his field. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Manik Atri, first year students of BTech Civil Engineering, Lovely Professional University. He completed his 10th and 12th grades at Kendriya Vidyalaya Jyotipuram. After clearing the LPU nest, he earned a scholarship to study at Lovely Professional University. So now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi, Associate Professor in the field of Mechanical Engineering. With over 20 years of teaching experience, his vast knowledge and expertise will surely pave the path for attendees. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions. You can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. And now I hand over the thanks to Dr. Janki Ballav, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from him. Over to you, Dr. Janki.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing us. Moving into the session, I'll start with Mr. Navraj. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible, sir. You can continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Navraj. How are you?
Yes, sir.
How the life is going on?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking. Yes, sir.
Now it is okay?
Yes,
okay.
sir. Now it is okay.
So to start with, how are you? How are you doing?
Sir, I'm good. What about you, sir?
Yes, I'm also fine. So
yes,
currently you are in UAE, right?
Yes, sir. I'm in UAE.
Okay.
Yes.
So starting with first question.
Yes, sir.
You have spent 4 years in LPU and
yes, sir.
have completed your graduation. I believe it is recently 2024 you have passed out, and now you have joined as a site engineer in Al Rakha Group. So that's a wonderful achievement. So if I'll ask you, what are the key skill sets that you have gained during your stay of 4 years in LPU?
Thank you, sir. It is a great experience in staying a 4 year for LPU. I learned a lot of things like the personal skills and the technical skills. So I also learn about the AutoCAD, Revit. There is a webinar for that also, and there is a workshop for the 1 month also in the summer period, and we learn about for 3 to 4 software from there, and there is that software we are used in our company, so it is very helpful for the our students, and so uh, this is the very helpful. So this I thankful to the university and the teachers that we have. So this is a great experience, and I also learn how to talk and the what type of behavior in front of the others due to the soft skills classes. These are the best thing in the LPU.
Okay, that is good to hear.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if we will go through the curriculum, we take curriculum. You
Yes,
must
sir.
have observed we offer a variety of courses, starting with fundamental courses, then core courses, some elective courses, then minors,
Yes,
electives, all those things. Out of those, if I'll ask you, pinpoint a course, a particular course that has significant impact on your career?
Yes, sir. The management course there is a mostly impact on my career. I applied on the my job, the site engineer job, on the Raka group. So, hello. So there is a very thankful to the university to give us elective and the extracurricular courses to achieve our career and goals.
Okay, that is fine. What I'm asking is, means if I'll ask you to pinpoint a single course, like which course has significant impact or the highest impact on your career till date, which course will
Yes,
that be?
I learned a hydraulic course, which I applied on the site also. There is a different way of the hydraulic system, the pipe layout, and another things. So we have applied on there on the site of that we have learned in the from the hydraulic course. This is an elective course of my third year
Yes, yes.
BTech. Yes,
Okay. Now, if I'll move to the next question,
yes, sir.
like whatever you have learned from LPU during your BTech program, like there is a notion we say like there is a gap between academia and industry, right? There is a concept like
Uh,
there is a notion. What I'm saying, there is a notion people believe like there is a gap between academia and industry. And sometimes in layman's language, we can say uh, in academia we go mostly for theoretical aspect, but
yes,
in practical field it is something different, right? So
yes,
I believe like you have spent almost 6 months in
yes, sir.
this particular organization.
Yes, sir.
So whatever experience you have gained, if I'll ask you, how different it is from academia and the way you are applying in the field.
So it is a little bit difference, not that much. We have studies on the LPU as a theoretical, and we have applied on the practical as well as in the university labs. So after that, we have same applied on the site, but there is a different way of work of the from Indian Standard Code and the here UAE code. So that much difference is there, but other things are the same. So the it is very helpful the theoretical and the practical part of the which we have learned in the university. Most important impactful thing is there.
Yes, definitely, because you are working in a different country right now, so
Yes,
obviously
sir. Yes.
the codes are a little bit different. But
Yes, sir.
anyway, the fundamentals remain same, and I
Yes, sir.
believe like you have gained those fundamentals during your study in LP.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if I'll ask you, like during your stay, is there any moment like while doing certain projects or maybe some assignments that gave you an idea, or after completing that project, that gave you an idea that yes, you have gained or you have achieved some concepts of civil engineering that now you are ready for the industry? Did you get any chance to like feel that way some during your stay?
So can you repeat the question? Actually, your voice is breaking a little bit through the question.
Okay, okay, I'll repeat. I'll repeat. Now it is fine.
Yes, sir. It is fine now.
What I'm asking, like during your 4 years program,
Yes, sir.
you like appear for PA, midterms, end terms, you conduct like different projects, carry out projects means
Yes,
as
sir.
an individual as well with the teams, then you
Yes,
carry
sir.
out certain assignments, those kind of things. My
Yes.
question is
Yes.
like while conducting those activities, did you
Yes, sir.
feel that yes, I have understood certain concepts or I have gained certain fundamentals or learned certain fundamentals of civil engineering now that I am ready for industry?
Yes, it is very thankful to the assignment we have done in the RCC and the steel structure. We have applied on the site. There is a steel structure auditorium is there on the our site. There we construct a uh, presidential court for the UAE. So there is a meeting go through the of the government or on any other organization. So there is a auditorium in this construction project. The all the things are included. The steel structure, RCC, all the things are in this project. So we all learn from the university the RCC beams, connection, and the column collections, and the steel structure connection, how to it will be used. These are the concept we learn from the university and applied on the site. These are the many very useful things for
Yes,
us.
definitely. Definitely. Here
Yes.
also, I would also like to highlight particularly the courses where you have mentioned. We have a culture of taking the students into sites. You must have visited different sites.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I visited 4 to 5 sites. The one of the near Ludhiana, and two to three near the university, and the one I visit the dam in Pathankot.
Yes. So, then in civil engineering, we believe in the concept like we learn by doing, right? So
Yes,
there
sir.
are number of ongoing construction works are going on like within the university as well as nearby locations, and I'm sure that
Yes,
must have helped.
yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Now, if I'll ask you, like, LPU, it's a big community, right? A
Yes, sir.
huge number of students are studying here. If I'll ask you how LPU, like, or whether LPU have gave you a sense of community and collaboration among students.
So your voice is breaking at the last. I
Okay, I'm repeating again.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying LPU is a very big community, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So how this community has helped you to give you a sense of community as well as collaboration among students, because you must have involved in various events, for example, that one India and one world.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
how those things have helped you, the
Sir,
person
it is
as well as the
these
world.
the you told about the one India, one world, and Spectra. These are the most impactful events in LPU. So we collaborate with another students and the teachers and the different culture of the university, the different culture of the any other organization. So it is very helpful to me. I am also joining in the all of the event which is happen in the university, like a sports curriculum activity, a march pass, and one India, one word, and there is a one Pangra competition is there. I'm also joined that in the
That is great.
extracurricular activities. Yes, sir. This is
Uh,
very helpful for the
yes,
students. Yes, sir.
because teamwork is a very essential
Yes,
quality that
yes,
everyone
sir. Yes,
should possess, right? It
yes,
may not be particularly in civil engineering field, or for the matter of fact, any field. Like it may not be
yes,
possible to work every time as an individual. Teamwork is very
yes,
much essential, and
yes,
that is what we teach the students. Okay,
yes,
moving to the next. Just like life, sometimes you see peaks and sometimes some low key moments also,
yes.
right? So, have you faced any such challenging or demanding situation during your stay in LPU?
Uh, there is a some little bit things we are facing challenge, like timing, and all things are better. So
So, how you have, I suppose you are saying your timing is a challenge. How you have managed it means how you have navigated through that challenge.
sir, I'm scheduled my time according to the classes and the curriculum activity which is happen in university. So for in one India, we have stay at the night for the work and the team. We work as a team for the particular project, and we show in the for the day of the event, and we got the third prize for the civil engineer school. So this is a grateful experience for me also, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Now moving into the next question.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Currently, what is your like job profile? Like, what are the works that you are performing in your organization?
Yes, we are on the site. The site is going on the near the in the Abu Dhabi. We are constructing the presidential palace for the government of the UAE. So there is our job profile is we just uh, check the what is the work is on the going on through the time period, and we I am with the senior engineer, so they tell me about the. Um, so they tell about the different type of the work is going on, the how it will be done. So we are as a now as a trainee, and after 1 year we will on our job. So they'll tell about the every little bit things, and the how's the working going on.
Okay. So,
And also we manage the drawing, and they tell us about the drawings how to read, and there is as per the different standard course, they will tell about the course all the way along as the drawing, how to construct the wall column, and what is the size according to the area. So that much things I learned from there.
okay.
Yes.
How like if I'll pick a course, quantity survey and estimation, how useful
Yes,
is that particular course in
sir.
your work profile currently?
Can you repeat, sir? Actually, your voice is breaking again.
But I'm asking, you must have gone
Yes,
through
sir.
the subject quantity survey and estimation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How useful that course is currently in your work profile?
So, sir, we calculated the concrete quantity for the slab. The thickness of the slab is 200 mm and the 500 mm. So, as per the size, we can calculate the concreting, and what is the number of blocks are there. There is a blocks working as a block for the wall. So, these are the things we have calculated through the QS, and the material also can calculate the material.
Okay. So
Yes.
the work that you are currently performing, how you think like this is going to help in your career?
uh, in our job profile, what we are doing.
Yes, how the currently the work that you are performing, how it is going
Yes.
to help in your career in future?
So it will be very helpful in the future. So we have learned from the little many new things from the site, and we also am also apply the quantity survey as I told you. The concreting quantity, and that in the future this is a very helpful for our new project. There is a different way of construction from the India. So I learned very new things which I haven't seen in my past. So this is very great experience, and this will also help in my future. It will be bright my future.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, Now you were a student like 6 months ago, and now you are a professional in a very reputed organization.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Based on your experience, whatever you have gained in this period, if I'll ask you, what is the biggest challenge civil engineering industry is currently facing?
The biggest challenge is facing is the weather, and the knowledge of the project, as well as the situation. What is the situation on the side? The solving the situation accordingly to the the type of the in a civil engineer life. The timing is the main challenge.
Okay.
Yes.
So how like if I'll ask you to advise a civil engineer, like a student, undergraduate student, how
Yes,
he
sir.
or she can convert this into an opportunity?
Um, it is a very grateful opportunity if they uh, going to this field. This is very helpful for a civil engineer. This is which we have learned from the university. It is the theoretical part. If we are actually go on the site, these are the little bit different from the theoretical. So there we have the learn new techniques of the construction, and how it will be how the work is going on the site, the how to manage the site, and all things are yeah, good. And so they have the great experience in the construction field as per my side.
Okay. Now, if I'll ask you that again from whatever brief experience that you have gained, do we need to like incorporate something in our curriculum that you believe students should know, that industry is asking, industry is demanding?
Yes, and it is a all the things are university with which is told before the past 4 years. It is the all applied by me on the site. It is a very great experience from the university, and so I am very grateful. So it is the things included that the student should be learn the extra things from ourselves. The university gave our best, so we have learned from the university, and the extra things like extra softwares, the software of the India from the India and UAE is a different. So these are the most things the learn from to the student.
Okay, speaking of softwares, currently the buzzword is BIM, right? Building Information Model.
Yes, yes.
So, means what will be your views on that particular software? Means how important it is, and up to what extent the student should learn.
In in UAE, they all the work on the Revit, BIM, and these are the most usable software in UAE. So, as per my, the student should learn 90% of the BIM, so that they work actually on according to the country and the according to the standard code. So most important software in this country. We have also uh, sometimes we have also see the drawings through the BIM and the Revit for the understanding of the construction things. So these are the very important for the each and everyone.
Okay. Now that you have stepped into the professional field,
Yes, sir.
uh, how you are thinking of being connected to LPU? That you should remain to connected to your alma mater. So
Yes, sir.
how you are thinking to do that?
So I'm thinking it is a very good thing. So I am very happy to stay connected with the LPU here. It is a very grateful experience. So university provide us many new things through the mails and its official site. So it is very helpful for us for the future and the for our current job. So I'm very thankful to the university to stay connected with us.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, now, if I'll ask you to, uh, what will be your suggestion or what will be your message to the upcoming civil engineers from LPU?
Uh, my suggestion is the work hard and the learn which they have told to the students. They learn according to that, and the most important thing is the practical knowledge is there all, along with the theoretical, and the extracurricular activities is there in LPU. So join that is for the extra knowledge for the culture of the university and the culture of the students. So this is the session for myself. So everything.
Okay. So with that, I'll say like thank you, Navraj, for
Thank
your
you, sir.
time, for you sincerely answering all the questions, and
Thank you,
I
sir.
wish you all the best, that you achieve whatever you have dreamt of to be a successful civil engineer. All the best from our side.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so very much once again to Dr. Janki Ballav and Mr. Navraj Singh. So I would request to the admission nominee, Dr. Lavleen Kumar Bhagi, to be on the screen. Over to you, Dr. Lavleen.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and very nice talking, Dr. Janki sir. Uh, Further, I'm going to discuss over here how we are going to, um, uh, you can say, find the details regarding the BTech Civil Engineering from our website and how you proceed for your interested program. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you the, this detail. Just give me a moment. I hope screen is visible.
Yes, the screen is visible.
Right.
You can continue.
Yeah. So, all right. So very first, I'm going to discuss about the accreditations and approvals because this this part is a very important part. Without approvals and without accreditations, I can say the you can say the quality of work or quality of the education you cannot define that for the particular university or particular institute. Like we have a NAC accreditation, and over here we received the highest NAC grade A++ with a score of 3.68 on 4-point scale, and it is the highest score in first cycle of accreditation among all government and private universities. Furthermore, if anyone wants to know what are the you can say criteria on which NAC assessment is depend upon, then I can say first one is the curricular aspect, then teaching, learning, and evaluation, then research, innovation, and extension, infrastructure and learning resources, student support and progression, governance, leadership and management, and then institutional value and best practices. So these are the 7 criteria on which NAC generally grade any university. Then we have NIRF ranking also. We rank 50th in Engineering Institutes of India by ranking NIRF. Then I can say other NF ranking, I can say in infrastructure, we have 16th rank. In law, we have 16th rank. In pharmacy, we have 17th rank. In agriculture, we have 27. In management, we have 32. And 42nd rank in research, and in engineering, 50th rank we have. Furthermore, if I want to add over here is that World University Ranking, and it's the Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2024. Then we have 25th rank amongst all top universities of India, both government as well as private universities. And if I count in terms of research quality, then we have 9th rank amongst all top universities of India. And if I go with this, you can say QS ranking, then we have 18th rank in India. And furthermore, I'm going to add regarding the NBA accredited programs we have. And MBA we have NBA accredited. Along with the MBA we have BTech programs also. BTech Computer Science and Engineering, BTech Civil Engineering we have NBA accredited. BTech Mechanical, BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering we have NBA accreditation. And another accreditation generally plays a very important role when you look for the management school programs. Like here it is a ACBSP accreditation, and it is being governed by the USA. And this is basically accreditation council for business schools and programs that, and it's been specialized accreditation for business education, supporting, celebrating, and rewarding teaching excellence. Furthermore, we have approvals, very important approval. For most approval, we have UGC approval. We have And for the distance learning programs, we have UGC approval also. And if we go to the NCTE approval, this approval is basically required for the education programs like B.Ed program, like integrated B.Ed, BSc B.Ed, BA B.Ed, like, and B.Ed M.Ed programs. So for education program, this approval is very, you can say, important. NCTE approval, National Council for Teacher Education. And another approvals we have like PCI approval, Pharmacy Council of India for pharmacy programs, Council of Architecture, COA, Bar Council of India, BCI approval. We have All India Council for Technical Education, Institute of Town Planners approval. We have physiotherapist, Indian Association for Physiotherapists, that is for physiotherapy programs approval. We have Punjab State Council for Agriculture Education approval for agriculture programs. And furthermore, we have memberships also with the Association of Indian Universities, International Association of Universities, and Institute of International Education. So these are the memberships we have. And if I talk about regarding the placements and achievements of our students, then I can say Yashir, I'm from BTech CSC, class 2018, got a package of 3 crore rupees in a global MNC company in Germany. And we have, you can say, more than 700 students selected at a package of ranging 10 to 62.72 lakh rupees per annum, and working in a very renowned companies like Palo Alto, Google, Amazon, Moto, RQ. So these are the few companies I have mentioning over here. And furthermore, if I specifically talk about BTech Civil Engineering or Civil School of Civil Engineering, then our student got a very excellent package, like Rizanto got placed in Autodesk with 13.57 lakh rupees per annum package. Our student Pratik of 2017 batch qualified UPSC exam and assistant commandant with All India rank 84. Our alumni Sumaya Kumari succeed UPSC exam with 502 rank. And Asif Yusuf student UPSC exam 328 rank, clears the civil services, UPSC civil services exam. And Anwarullah Ansari has been awarded a scholarship by DAD for higher education in the Federal Republic of Germany. And Aditya Singh has been selected as a reviewer in American International Journal. You can say a very proud moment for any student. And then Hazif Abdullah got selected at Leeds, UK University for higher studies with scholarship. So furthermore, if I want to add how you can access our website and how you get to know what are the eligibility criteria for civil engineering department for civil school, then I'll show you how you can check. Yeah. Then we have, like, very first you have to go to the website lpu.in. You have to go to the website lpu.in, and then on our website page you can see about admissions, academics, campus life, placements, research, everything you can see over here. If you go to the admission tab, then over here you can find another interesting details like education loan assistance, residential facilities, we have transport facilities, we have reporting and induction after getting your seat booked, and then you have to report at when and where you have to report at campus, like all the things you can get over here. Furthermore, depending on your previous qualification or as per your interest, you can search for your interested program. Like first you go to the regular programs, and after you click over here, then our you can say admission web page will open, where you are going to apply the appropriate filter. Like if you, based upon your previous qualification, you are going to search your discipline, and in the discipline you go to the particular program. Just give me a moment. Okay, I'll show you straight away. After clicking over there, you see this page will come, and over here you can see qualification. I put over here 12th, that is previous qualification for BTech program, that 12th qualification. Then in the engineering, you have to click over engineering, and then in the engineering, you select the civil engineering. Yes, for the you select the civil engineering, and then the web page will open. So this type of information you can get over here. So BTech Civil Engineering, as I have told you, it is an NBA accredited program, and very first it is you can see the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for BTech Civil Engineering is that candidate should have passed 60% aggregate marks in 12th class, and should have studied physics, mathematics, chemistry, and English. So at least these 4 subjects should have studied in the 12th class. And furthermore, in the BTech program, we have conducted a test, national level test, that is called L2U Nest. Or if candidate has qualified CUET, then we can also, you can say, approve CUET. Or if candidate got, you can say, JEE mains, exam given JEE mains, we also consider JEE. And for any of the national level test, if candidate qualifies, then only basic qualification need to be qualified. After that, you can get admission in BTech program, that BTech Civil Engineering program. And furthermore, for the LP Nest exam, candidate can select either for remotely proctored test from home, or it is a test center based. He can choose if the proper infrastructure it doesn't have, like laptop or desktop with good internet facility, smartphone. Like these are the basic things any candidate should have for the remotely proctored online exam. Furthermore, if you want to know what the rankings we have, you can check on this page also. And furthermore, regarding the publications for the School of Civil Engineering, you can see 300 plus publications we have, 60 plus patents we have, and 50 plus collaborative researches we have. And if you want to search more for the student achievements, it's been mentioned on the straightway on the website, like Gagan Medallion of Excellence, first position in state level competition organized in Punjab Skill Development Mission in Wall and Floor Tiling, and Amardeep Singh and Sarthak awarded in technology infusion, grand challenge at La Thorbe, Australia, for Bud Bridge design competition, and many more. You can say the information you can get over here. Like furthermore, if you want to get the details regarding what subject you are going to study in the first year, second year, third year, likewise fourth year, then you can see the details. In the first semester, in the first year, first semester, candidate is going to study engineering, mechanics, basic electrical and electronics engineering. So these are the subjects you can check from the website. Along with these subjects, the electives we are offering, like engineering minors, we have language elective, pathway electives, open minors, training electives. Like in the engineering minors, if any student wants to have interest in engineering approaches to environment and water technologies, then he can choose this basket. If he has smart and sustainable infrastructure interest in this particular subject, then he choose this type of basket, and then accordingly he is going to study the relevant you can say subjects from this basket. And if anyone goes to the language elective basket, then you can see the various baskets we are offering. Furthermore, depending upon the pathway you are going to choose in BTech Civil Engineering, you are going to study these subjects. Like if you choose corporate job, depending upon your pathway, like if you are interested in a corporate job, then you go to the construction, design, and project management. If you choose government job, then geo-environmental engineering, irrigation and dam, pre-stressed concrete design, urban planning and development. If you are interested for higher studies, then accordingly, these are the subject baskets we are offering. And furthermore, we are offer open minors also. And as you know, open minor means as per your interest, you can study from the out of the engineering subject. Like over here, if you are interested for the you can say physics of material, optics in daily life, product design, Spanish you want to learn, so it's an open minor. History, if suppose you want to pursue, or you are interested to you are preparing for UPSC exam, then you can choose history as a subject in open minor. Hindi you can choose, geography you can choose. So it's a very you can say interesting curriculum we have designed in LPU. Furthermore, regarding the applicable fees, it depends upon the caliber of the candidate. That means how you get the how many marks you got in the 12th class or in the LPNS exam or in the national level test exam. So based upon your performance in this part, your scholarship will be given to you. Like if any student got 95% or more in 12th class, then or got LPNS with category 1 cutoff or got JEE percentile equal to more than 95 percentile, then you can say highest scholarship is 45% is being given. With the 45% scholarship benefit, applicable program fees will be 77,000 rupees per semester. For the second category, we are offering 40% scholarship benefit, and for 40% scholarship benefit, the applicable program fees will be 84,000 rupees per semester. And similar way for the third category, the scholarship we are offering is 35%, and with 35%, the applicable program fees will become 95,000 rupees per semester. Without scholarship fees, if I can say, it will be a 1,40,000 rupees per semester. And whatever applicable program fees based upon your qualification, based upon national level test you are going to get, it will remain same throughout your degree. That is 4 years. Because BTech CSC, BTech Civil Engineering, it is a 4-year program, or we can say 8 semesters. So all 8 semesters, your applicable program fees will remain same. And furthermore, if you want to know what are the study abroad options is being available in BTech Civil Engineering, then you can see we are offering international exposure option and semester exchange program. In international exposure option, generally students go for a 4 weeks study tour to USA or any European country. Over there, he is going to go to the various industries or for a you can say study in a various universities for 4 weeks. For the semester exchange program, students go to study in a semester for a semester in a foreign university, and after completing that particular semester, he is going to come back and continue his studies at LPU. But for that particular semester, he is going to get the transcript from that university, which will enhance his CV for the future. So it's a very you can say exciting thing. He's going to study for this one semester in a foreign university, and he's going to get exposure to the foreign country also along with the universities. And what other scholarships we are going to offer? You can see a scholarship based upon the percentage of qualifying exam. As I have told you, previous qualification for BTech, it may be a 12th class, or it may be a diploma, or it may be a BSc non-medical. So this way, for diploma program, if anyone have done diploma, then we offer lateral entry program, or if anyone has done the graduation BSc non-medical, then we are offering the lateral entry. So for these 2 previous qualifications, lateral entry program also we have. Furthermore, scholarship based upon the LPNS exam, then or scholarship based upon CUT a candidate can get, or on the basis of JEE main exam. And furthermore, other scholarships also we have, like scholarship on innovation, startup, entrepreneurship, special scholarship for toppers of board education. Then we have financial aid options. We have financial aid need-based candidates, financial aid for serving retired defense paramilitary personnel and other dependents, financial aid to orphans, financial aid to persons with certain disabilities. And if I going to discuss furthermore, you can see the program educational objectives, what objectives we are achieving over here for the BTech Civil Engineering. For the program outcomes, you can see, and salient features. Salient features you can check for the BTech Civil Engineering school, like cutting edge technology, industry readiness, projects we are handling, innovative learning, practical learning, multidisciplinary learning, e-learning, MOOC courses, pathways, interactive teaching learning, personality development. So many, you can say, salient features for the School of Civil Engineering we have. And Further, how you are going to get admission or how you book your seat for the civil engineering? Very first, you have to sign up. For the sign up, you just click over here, apply now. Then our admission page will open up, and here student has to register his name, email ID, mobile number, and after putting the mobile number over here, he is going to get the OTP. And then putting the state, city, gender, qualification, discipline interested in. Suppose it is being my previous qualification is 12th. I select over 12th over here. Then accordingly, discipline interested in I have to mention over here. So I put the engineering. I have to select the engineering over here. Okay. So as per your interest and previous qualification, you have to put the details in the registration page, and then click over here and just click the register. After register, your dashboard will open over there. You can see the application form LPNS BTech 2020-24, and from there you can proceed to book the seat, and then you can take the admission. And then for this schedule, we have give the option to the candidate that he can book his seat first or qualify LPNS later on. So this way, this option a candidate can choose, or either way he can choose the LPNS first, or after qualify he can book his seat. The thing is this: we have very limited seats, and furthermore, up to 30th July, whatever scholarship brackets I have mentioned over here, the last date of admission it is 30th June for these scholarships. Doesn't mean that our admission will end on 30th June. After 30th June, our admission is still going on, but it may happen our scholarship may reduce, or it may, you can say, in any category, scholarship will be removed. So already we have stopped scholarship in category 3 in BTech CSC program, that is AI and artificial intelligence program we have. So furthermore, the LPNS slot booking, you can check the dates over here from 5th July to 30th June. You can book the slot. And what are the instructions or guidelines for the remotely proctored online exam? You can check the details over here. Just click over here to view the guidelines. And if I want to see more for the BTech Civil Engineering School, then what you have to do, you just click over here. Click to know more about the school, civil engineering. You click over here, and then our new web page of school, civil engineering school will open up. And in this web page, you can see our university mission, our school mission, our placement details. And if I summarize the placement detail for School of Civil Engineering, then highest salary package our student got is 15 lakh rupees per annum, with the highest internship stipend, it is 25,000 rupees per month, and 150 offer letters our student got. And these are the students placed in various companies, entrepreneurship. They have started their own business like this. You can see all the details you can see over here. And furthermore, the details regarding our alumni, you can fetch from this page. So all the details you can see. Further rankings and accreditations you can see on this page also. And what are the various, we have tie-up with the industries. You can check like L&T, Curtin University, Lathorpe University, Swinburne University, Australia, Curtin University. So the tie-ups details you can check over here. And what are the various programs school offering in School of Civil Engineering? You can see on this, check on this page. Like after 12th, we are offering BTech Civil Engineering and BTech Civil Engineering 2+2 international credit transfer option. This means 2 years at LPU and 2 years in foreign university. And for those students who opt for this option, 2+2 international credit transfer option, they will get the final degree from that university, from where he is going to complete his rest 2 years. So very, very nice option if anyone wants to earn degree from foreign university. So at least you can say 2 years fee for the foreign country he can save here in LPU. Final degree he'll get from the foreign country. Furthermore, after graduations, we are offering MTech Structural Engineering and MTech Construction Management. And after post-graduation, we are offering PhD also in Civil Engineering. And if I say after diploma or certificate, we have BTech Civil Engineering lateral entry programs also we are offering. And if anyone have 10th class, then we have, you can say, diploma program we have. So this way, you can explore what are the various programs. And furthermore, regarding the number of students we have, that is 4,800 plus national students we have, 500 plus international students we have, and from 10 plus foreign countries students studying in LPU. And furthermore, these are the events and achievements being conducted in School of Civil Engineering. And this is the statistics you can explore for research statistics. That is 324 more than this research papers published in Scopus, Web of Science, UGC publications over here, and it's still going on. And these are the citations, the 200 plus citations we have. And this is the civil engineering school. You can see we have various research achievements done by our students. And this is the infrastructure in the School of Civil Engineering. We have engineering survey lab, transportation lab, building material lab, and we can Bentley computer lab, and then environmental laboratory. We have very advanced softwares we are using in this School of Civil Engineering in this program. And furthermore, you can see testimonies over here. So this way you can scroll all the minute details you are interested in. You can fetch from our website. So this is all about for the School of Civil Engineering. And if you have any question, please feel free to contact us and let us know. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Loveleen. And once again, thanks to all. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding admission. If anyone wants to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars until we meet again. With the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.